Hi, this is Thomas with Cozy Grammar and our Ask Cozy Grammar Q&A series. Our third question today comes from Jonathan C., writing from Ridgewood, New Jersey. And Jonathan C. asks, what is the difference between the word ability and capacity? And this is a great question because these words are similar, but they're not the same. They have different um, flavors to them. And in fact, I'm going to throw one more in, which is the word capability. So let's look at the words ability, capacity, and capability. We'll go one by one. Ability is simply what a person is able to do. In fact, that's the way I remember this. Able, ability. You can see that one word comes from the other. For instance, I am able to ride a bicycle. So I might say I have the ability to ride a bicycle. And all of us have different kinds of abilities. I particularly treasure the ability to be kind. And I also treasure the ability of the rain, which you may be able to hear outside my cozy writing yurt. I treasure the ability of the rain to nourish the plants outside. Uh, so that's ability. Now let's contrast that with the word capacity. People sometimes use it as a loose synonym for ability, but that's not quite right. In other words, that's not the whole picture. That's a better way to put it. Think of a sign or the kind of sign you might see in a public meeting room. Capacity, 100 people. You might even see the word capacity abbreviated as CAP, 100 people. And that just simply means that up to 100 people can fit into the room. There's enough room in that room for 100 people, but not more than that. So when we use the word capacity, we're describing how much room something can contain. And if we're using the word capacity to speak about a person, we are talking about the extent of a person's ability, their extent to which they're able to do something. Uh, for example, my father has a great capacity for mathematics. He has an extensive ability, a wide ability, like a wide room. Similarly, Marie Rackham, the co-founder with David Milkey of Cozy Grammar, had a great capacity for love. She had an extensive or wide ability to love. Now, let's look at capability, which almost seems like a blend of these two other words. If ability has to do with what someone is able to do, and capacity has to do with how extensive someone's ability may be, capability has to do with someone's ability or power to do something that is seen as difficult or challenging. For example, Marie Rackham had the capability not only to teach grammar, but to play classical piano music. That's why she recorded the classical piano soundtrack that accompanies so many of Cozy Grammar's lessons and videos. So hopefully, Jonathan, that helps to clarify the difference between ability, capacity, and capability. If you have any follow-up questions, feel free to write to us at our website or through our website, cozygrammar.com.